All right, for all you guys with the Honda Pilots and the Honda Odysseys with the VCM motor that's burning oil, you guys can rejoice because they extended the warranty here in Canada from 8 years to 10 years. So I think we can still cover the 15s, 16s, and 17 Odysseys. But same amount of time, you get 8 hours to do one bank, and you get an extra 0.8 to do the front bank. But they added a bunch of extra stuff that we have to do. We have to take pictures of everything. Spark plugs,
Bearing caps.
yeah, bearing caps. So we had to, so same amount of time, but we got to do additional work to take pictures to prove that, you know, there's nothing wrong with.
And I gotta put a tool in here.
Yeah, we have to put a tool in here.
To gauge the scratch if there is a scratch.
Yeah, there is an option of giving us a short block, and that's 11 hours. But for you guys who are having burning oil issues, us here in Canada, they extended the warranty to 10 years, unlimited kilometers, from 8 years up to 240,000 kilometers from the previous bulletin. So extended the warranty on that. So if you guys still have a oil burning issue on your Odysseys and your Pilots that has the VCM motor, yeah, they extended the warranty. So yeah, just more work and less pay under warranty time. And Marvin, how much time have you already spent to get to this point?
5 hours.
He's already 5 hours in, just doing the pictures and doing all the
first
documentations that they want us to do.
40 minutes of the job, I'm like, okay, this is what they want to do for documentation.
Yeah.
This is what they need. This is what they're asking for.
Yeah, so same amount of time, more work.
I could have had the T-belt off at that point.
Yeah, you know, when you don't have to do all that stuff, we actually are able to try to get as close to doing warranty time and get like all done. How fast? If you haven't had to do all that stuff, how fast would you be able to do it? Just the one bank.
At the 5 hour mark, at where I am right now, if I didn't have to look at the bulletin and all these documentations, yeah, I would have only been here for 3 hours.
Yeah, he would have been 3 hours, gotten all this stuff out, and then
fine.
everything back on. But now they added all these additional documentations that I got to take pictures of everything, and then
more clerical
to,
work.
to be able to claim this extended warranty on this job, they added more stuff for us to do. So for you guys, great for having your, you know, oil burning issue covered under an extended warranty, but you know, it's not so much for us, I guess. But anyways,
Sure, it's not gonna say anything, or it's not gonna amount to anything. But yeah, see, looking at a scratch like that, now you're obligated to put a tool in there and check it, and run another several minutes. Right?
so any kind of markings or vertical
Yes.
scratches, we gotta
Yeah.
put the tool in there, and then yeah, we gotta also document it onto our on the Honda. What is that?
Yeah, on the Honda TPA.
Oh yeah, on the Honda TPA. So that's what's new on you know, here at the dealership, because we do a lot of these piston rings.
Well, I'll go find this tool.
Yeah. Even if they just renewed it, like
So that's another at least 5 minutes of me
yeah.
rummaging through.
They
the
just
tool.
updated the bulletin like last week, so I don't even know if we got shipped the tools for this. They only ship us the tools if it's a recall, but if it's a bulletin, they do not ship us the tools. You have to actually order them yourself and get them. All right, so here's that tool that we're supposed to use, and I haven't done this bulletin yet. Marvin's the first one to do this.
So you put it on the area of the suspected scratch, right? Then you got to keep this dowel in the middle of the green of the safe zone here, the green mark, right? So you lean it up against the scratch, right? Put it in the middle, and then kind of run it across the scratch. So if you feel the tool binding or vibrating or chattering like that, then that scratch is no good.
Yeah.
Then that's where we gotta call tech line.
Yeah, we gotta call tech line, and then we're gonna put a short block into this. Yeah, if you forget something and you skip a photo, then you're basically kind of screwed. But if you're wondering why, how many pistons rings have you done this week? You did one yesterday.
I did a 4-cylinder
yesterday.
I finished it yesterday.
Yeah, and then he's doing this one today.
So I'm still feeling that.
He's still feeling it in his
Physically.
back. Yeah.
Mentally.
If you're wondering why we get so many piston rings, it's because other dealerships send their piston ring jobs to us. They also don't do fuel pump recalls either, because we get a lot of customers that come in from other dealerships. We're just like, you have no history. Why are you here? I was like, oh, they.
Others say no, we go.
Yeah, yeah. When other people say no, we just take it on. Yeah.